All right, we're back at Pratt Community College. Wanted to give a video of a second pass we're doing here. Still fighting some cold weather. We're putting about an inch and a half of foam down today. We're going to come back and top coat this in the spring when the weather's better. But just kind of show you the difference. You can see how rough the texture is over here. We're going over rocks. A little bit of the surface is pretty cool. And now the foam is a lot warmer right here. You can see how it wants to react. It's smoothing itself out. Leveling up just a little bit. Some other areas, we're going to come in and transition this. We're going to be coating this dome all the way up with an acrylic coating, but we want to come around, and we'll do this next year when we do the whole section. We're going to tie in and build this up. So where you can see where this system is like an expansion joint area right through here. If I can get out of the deal. Where it's built up. We're actually going to cover all that up. Probably put about 3 inches of foam in there. Just put a little wedge. So it gives it some strength to expand and contract as the building moves without breaking down our system. So we'll show all that in one of our final videos as we do the project. This as we go around here. Of course, we haven't done the pipe flashings yet, but you can see right around here, leak issues, tore out the bad areas all the way down, flashed it in. We'll come back and hit that again when we're done and do all of our fun work. But you can also see over here, we had a blister area we just cut out. We're gonna cut it out, cover it up. When we're done, you'll never know it's there. Water can't get to it. So this is video number 3, Pratt Community College.